So in this video, you'll learn how to check the storage capacity of your Samsung Galaxy A56. So all you need to do is open the Settings app, then you want to scroll and select Device Care, and then under Device Care, tap on Storage. From here, you can see your storage capacity of your A56. So the very first thing you'll see is the percentage against the total amount of storage you've used. So currently I've used 31%, which in terms of GB is 40.8 GB against my total storage of 128 GB. Then I can tap on Show More and I can view what exactly is consuming most of the space on my phone. So for me, it starts with Apps, and then System, and then Other Files. So those are the things that are consuming most of the storage on my A56. So if you want to ever glance at your storage, you can just come to this section and you can see how much storage you have against the total, as well as which apps are taking up the most storage. If you have any questions or comments about this process or how you find the storage capacity, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.